Hi guys, Jen here of GadgetPilipinas.net. Today we're going to unbox a new product from iFuture, and this is the iFuture Mirror Dashcam M350. For those of you who are interested, pwede itong mabili at SM Gadget's Hub. And you know what? Ang original price niya is 2,999.75, but if you are an SM Advantage member, you can only get this for 1,499.75. All you gotta do is to present your card when you're about to pay. So SM Gadgets Hub, ito yung Gadgets Hub or area inside the department store sa SM. So makikita nyo to kapag ito'y naka-display. And if you're getting it in the month of September 2019, you can get this for only 1,499. But this time, since we're going to unbox this, simulan na natin, huwag natin paikot-ikotin pa. So this is the box that we got from iFuture. Sabi dito, it's a 350-degree swivel camera. Merong kulang ng 10 degrees. I get that probably. Now, what's important here is that the camera is mounted mismo doon sa mirror. Now, what's even unique about this is that the mirror has a display. So meron siyang display dito. Ang sabi is 4:3 HD screen. And it can record up to 1080p Full HD video. So, interesting siya. Now, probably advanced to mount this, but let's go ahead and unbox this and install it to my car later on. So, ito, buksan na natin. Alright, so tingnan natin itong maliit na box na to. Sabi dito, Mirror Dashcam M350. It shows you here all of the other information that you need to know. 4:3 HD screen. 1080p Full HD video, 145-degree wide-angle lens, continuously loop recording, motion detection, and easy quick installation. So sabi niya, easy and quick installation. Malalaman natin niya mamaya kapag in-install natin sa ating kotse later on. Now, let's proceed with the unboxing. Alright. Oh, okay. So, since glass nga talaga siya, it is really glass. But you would notice na meron siyang 4:3 screen sa may left side. So ito yung center niya, nasa may left side. Makikita niyan kapag ayan, sa camera mismo kitang-kita ninyo. Now, let me take this off. Yan. Okay, so ito yung camera niya. 350 degree siya kasi hindi mo siya maiikot buo. So meron siyang konting stop. And then you can twist it around like that and it stops there. So hindi siya complete 360 degree. Nevertheless, they're not, telling a lie here. It's true. Tama, 350 degree. Let's, talk about this later on. Tignan natin the rest of the other things. So, since this is a camera, it would require energy, battery. So ito, you put this on the lighter. And it is 12 to 24 volts. Output of DC 5 volts, 1,000 milliamperes. So, yan siya. Kasama yan dun sa mismong pinaka-package. And we have here the instructions, a user manual. Meron ditong mga mounting tabs. Okay. And I guess these ones are to clamp it, rubber clamps. And that's pretty much everything. Wala naman. I don't know about you guys. I don't think this is going to be difficult to install, but we'll get into that later on. But I'd like to talk about flexibility here. Okay lang to. I don't think it's going to be redundant if you get this, if you already have an existing dashcam. Because kung may dashcam ka na nakatutok dun sa harap ng kotse mo, then this one, you can actually switch or pwede mo ilipat yung camera pointing to you or pointing to your passengers. So, kumbaga parang it really covers everything, in terms of recording, in terms of security. So, it's a plus point for iFuture for doing that. The fact that you're able to switch, yung may 350-degree angle or rotating lens, that's, fine by me. No problem with that. There are actually controls here which we can find out later on kung ano yung para saan siya. I think the only issue that I'm seeing here is yung placement ng USB. It kind of, nakaka-OC kasi yun na yung cable is nakapalupot or naka-expose siya. And, to be honest with you, I'm not really a fan of that. But I think that's the only thing that I'm seeing as an issue. But later on, we'll find out when we install this. Alright, so now at this point, let me guide you through on how to install this. Gagawin natin ito together. It's my first time to also install it. No pretensions dito. Lahat tayo gagawin natin ito for the first time. Pero syempre, the first thing we need to do before that is we peel off this sticker. Sana tama ginagawa ko na I will peel it off. Ayan. Yun. Nakikita ko na. Let's do this, guys. Let's go. Okay, so dito na tayo ngayon sa kotse, and what we're going to do is we're going to install this right over here. So, ipapatong lang natin siya dito sa pinaka rear view mirror. Papalitan natin siya. So, as I mentioned earlier, it should not be that difficult to do because ang gagawin lang naman natin is ipapatong natin siya dito. And ika-clamp lang natin siyang ganyan. And that's pretty much everything that you need to do. Okay, so as I mentioned, ito yung ating pinaka rear view mirror, and we have to get this out of the way because this is kind of obstructing our view. So it's our issue later where we're going to reposition that, but that's basically the point. Kung wala naman talaga yan, it's not going to be an issue, but if it is, then you just have to reposition it. Okay? You just have to put this right here. Okay, and kung nakikita nyo to, meron siyang kasama na plastic, no? Ito yung binding plastic or to staple it down here. So, kailangan natin siya kasi ikabit. So, my suggestion is ilagay mo na siya at least sa dalawang taas, no? Right there. And then, put it like that and clamp it. And you're pretty much good to go. That's very easy. So, yan siya. Kita mo pa rin, as you can see, kita pa rin yung likod. And it's not in any way interfering with anything. And, you know, it's still the usual mirror that I know of. Anti-glare system, there is. And then I can still, you know, switch this whenever I want. There's no need for me to remove this clamp, to be honest with you. Walang kailangan tanggalin sa kotse mo, no? At ganun kadali at ganun ka-easy to kung paano i-install. Alright, and now at this point, ito yung sinasabi ko, we have to put this here. So that's the only issue that I am seeing right now, and I think it's up to us where we're going to, you know, put everything once we've installed this. But for the purpose of demonstration, what we're gonna do is we're going to turn on our car, and then that's it. iFuture. Cool. The camera is here. Ito yung pinaka natin, pinaka monitor or camera. You can, as I mentioned earlier, you can switch it like that. You can rotate it if you want to. Okay. Kung feeling mo paling siya, ayusin mo lang. What we're gonna do right now is we're going to test yung pinaka recording feature niya. I'm going to record myself right now. The microphone is turned on as usual, and yung lights, we can turn it on. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ayos yun na. Okay, so ngayon, this is a quick test of the iFuture mirror dashcam. I'm turning on the lights, turning it off. I can mute the microphone by turning this. It on. Yan, so you can hear me na. Okay, so there's a lot of things I need to understand here, but I don't think it's going to be that difficult to operate. The functions though, there's a lot of things that I need to understand about the functions. Alright, so I guess that's about it. That's what I've noticed about this device. But then again, I would say that this is a good buy for $1,499. I am not sure if you'd be able to see something as very close to that price. Again, that price is only good if you are an SM Advantage member. So $1,499, pretty good price if I may suggest. You get it in the month of September. This has been Gian of GadgetPhilippines.net. This has been our quick unboxing and experience of the iFuture Mirror Dashcam. Cheers!